In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save changes to your website on Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. Squarespace has made it incredibly easy for anyone, regardless of their technical savvy, to create and manage a website that looks professionally designed. However, once you've got your site up, you might find yourself needing to make updates or changes. Whether it's a quick text tweak, adding a new photo, or adjusting your layout, updating your site regularly keeps it fresh for your visitors. Let's walk you through the process. First, you'll want to head over to the Squarespace homepage. This is where all your website design and management actions begin. On the top right corner of the page, you'll find the Login button. Clicking this will take you to the Sign In page, an essential step to access your Squarespace dashboard. For convenience, Squarespace allows you to sign in using various methods, including using your Google account. Opt for the Continue with Google option for a quick login. This is especially handy if you use Google services frequently, as it syncs with your Google account, ensuring a streamlined process. Next, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the account you've linked to your Squarespace site. Once you've successfully logged in, you're ready to access your website's backend, where all the magic happens. Now onto the fun part, finding your website. Squarespace will redirect you to a dashboard showing all the sites you manage. Look for the specific website you intend to update and click on it. This action will take you directly to your website's management area. Once there, you're ready to start editing. Look for the Edit button, typically located at the top left corner or within the settings menu of your site. Squarespace's editor is quite intuitive. Once in edit mode, you'll see various editable elements on your site highlighted. You can click on any of these elements to edit text, change images, or adjust styles. Feel confident in making the changes your website needs. Whether it's updating a blog post, changing a contact number, or adding a new page, Squarespace's editor offers a straightforward, user-friendly interface. You can see your changes in real time, which is excellent for getting everything just right. After you've made all the necessary adjustments and you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button, which you'll find at the top left corner of the screen. Clicking Save ensures all your hard work is applied to your website. Remember, any changes you make won't be visible to the public until you hit that Save button, so don't skip this step. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Squarespace website. Remember, maintaining and updating your website is an ongoing process. Regular updates keep your site relevant, secure, and engaging for your visitors. Don't be afraid to experiment with Squarespace's versatile design options to keep your online presence vibrant and exciting. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to save changes to your website on Squarespace. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you maximize your site's potential. Happy designing!